That's really weird. Because, like, you know, when you put on a makeup, it feels like something's on your skin. Like, this literally feels like nothing is on my skin. That is so weird. Ooh. This is so freaking pretty.
Yeah. Motorsport, yeah. Put that thing in sports. Shout it bad, pop it like a court. You a dork, never been a sport. Pull up, jumping out the court. Cotton candy, my cup tastes like the fair. Straight up there, we didn't take the stairs.
I feel like y'all can see my hood curtains. My hood curtains. Y'all can see my hood curtains in the background. Yeah, baby. Scoot over just a little bit. What's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. And if you are new, welcome to my channel. And also, if you are new, you need to be hitting that subscribe button. Okay? I did this look using the Fenty Beauty products, right? My very first time trying Fenty Beauty. Better late than never. You know what I'm saying? Because your girl had to stack her coins up. You know? It is what it is. So I finally got to try it. I did have this is the highlighter and the foundation. To give you guys my honest review on this, prior to me putting my foundation on, I did put my regular routine. I moisturized my face and I used my Becca Velvet Blurring Primer. Okay, but let's get right into this. Don't forget to like, thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, you guys. Let's get started. Okay, this is a disclaimer. My video is like this a lot. Okay, I was not aware my bra straps were showing through most of the video, so it's just a disclaimer, you guys. Like, you're like, oh my god, her bra straps are showing. Like, I'm sorry. Your girl needs to learn how to wear the right bras for the right shirts, okay? Back to the video. This is the process, you guys. You guys get to see all the magic that goes on between the editing. Do y'all know what I mean? My videos are usually 35 minutes long, but I edit it down to where it's only 8 or 9 minutes. That's a lot of editing. Okay, so I did my eyes, right? I used my... It don't matter. Anyways, I'll leave it down in the description. Psych. No, I won't. Okay, anyways, I'm going to start with Fenty Beauty. I haven't even taken it out of the package yet. Just ripped it open. And it says, medium to full coverage for all. Long wear, light as air. And it says to shake well. Oh, here it is. 340. So what I'm going to do is do it as I do my normal makeup routine. I'm going to spray my beauty blender and get it nice and damp. Oh, I didn't shake it. I'm going to apply it through pumps and dab it on my face. When I went to Sephora, she used a little scanner to see what color I would be, and I guessed this color, but I wanted to make sure. And so I used the lady at Sephora who was so much help, and she did this color for me. How does it look so far? Matching pretty good. I usually use the NYX Stay Matte but not flat foundation. So I did not color correct. I'm tripping. I did not color correct. It honestly, like, I'm not even joking. It really feels like I don't have anything on. It doesn't even feel like I have any makeup on. That's really weird. Because, like, you know, when you put on a makeup, it feels like something's on your skin. Like, this literally feels like nothing is on my skin. That is so weird. Let's wait till this bad boy come back on so I can finish my makeup. Okay. Now I'm gonna get this setting powder on my face. Y'all ready? The trophy wife. Y'all ready? Can y'all even see this though? Ooh! This is so freaking pretty. Hold up. I really...
Back up.
You can still see that highlighter though, can't you? Marine like he go, but you can still see that highlighter. Okay then. Ooh. Ooh. This is the finished look, you guys, and so far I would rate it a 10 out of 10. Shawty, she's a 10. Oh, a 10. Shawty, she's a 10. I give it a 10 out of 10. This foundation looks so freaking bomb. I went to go look in the mirror when my ring light went out, and I was like, this is so bomb. So I give it a thumbs up, and I suggest you guys go try it yourself if you do not believe me. But thank you guys for watching my video. I see you guys next time.